to decorate our lunchboxes.
Awesome work!
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Fizzy, Fizzy, Fizzy! What's up, Phoebe? My lunchbox is so boring! Why don't you use your stickers to decorate it? I haven't got any stickers left! I've got it! Let's play the dish drop game to get more stickers! Woohoo! Yeah! Does this mean what I think it means? It sure does! Time for some Fizzy Magic! Fizzy! Fizzy! Woohoo! I love the dish drop game! I wonder what's inside the boxes!
Let's play and see! I want to play a trick on Fizzy and Phoebe to ruin their game. But what to do? I know! I'll take all their stickers! Ha 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 ha!
Okay, Phoebe, time to drop that disc. Woohoo! All right, I got blue. Quick, let's see what's inside. Oh, but first, we need a hand from Miss Hands.
Oh, Miss Hands! Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. All right, let's see what's inside this blue box. Wow, look at all these awesome animal stickers.
Aw, they're so cute.
They're porcelain.
Let's put them down safely over here. Your turn now, Fizzy. All right. I hope this disc lands on a lucky color.
All right, let's take a look. Wow, it's loads of yummy food stickers. Let's put them behind you, Fizzy.
Oh, it's my turn again. Awesome sauce! I love purple!
Oh, look, loads of lovely plant stickers.
Fizzy, Fizzy, Fizzy! What is it, Phoebe? Where are my stickers?
Well, they were just here.
But they're not here now. My stickers have gone too! Someone must have taken them! But who would be sneaky enough to take our stickers? 3-Eye!
Oh, did someone call me?
3-Eye, you took our stickers!
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did! But 3-Eye, those stickers are important to me and Phoebe. We want to use them to decorate our lunchboxes.
Blah, blah, blah. Why do I care?
3-Eye, you know it's wrong to take other people's things.
Ugh, it's not fair. You two always get to play with things. Fine, have them back.
Hey, why don't we all share the stickers?
Share? What's that?
Sharing means we divide them into equal parts. It's fun! Hey, why don't you have a go at the dish drop game, 3-Eye?
All right, 3-Eye, let's take a look. Wow, so awesome! Woohoo! More stickers for me! Oh, I mean, us.
Great sharing, 3-Eye! Now it's time to decorate our lunchboxes. Hey, Phoebe, why don't you go first? Woohoo! All right! Let's make this lunchbox super cool!
All right, Phoebe, let's take a look at the stickers you've got. Oh, I really like this one. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a smiley flower pot. Maybe Oh, this one's so cute. I like that one. Oh, look. It's a happy orange. I like this donut. Oh, and I love this turtle. All right, let's take another look. I definitely want this one. I think that looks really cute, so we can put that one there. Let's put the donut one there. That works. Should we use the pig or the turtle?
I really like the turtle.
All right, Phoebe, we'll use the turtle. That looks so good. We've got one more slot here.
I like the strawberry.
All right, Phoebe. Perfect. Let's stick those down. Pop that one there. Look how cute this donut is. All right, that was a good choice. And now the last sticker. Perfect! One awesome lunchbox.
All right! My lunchbox looks totally awesome! It sure does. Hey, 3-Eye, you can share my lunchbox. We could decorate it together.
All right, Fizzy and 3-Eye. Let's take a look at your stickers. Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. And that star looks super cute. Ooh, space. Oh, look. It's a super cute cupcake. And I like the happy lemon. Oh, look. It's another turtle. So I really like the duck. He could go here. The lemon is awesome. We're gonna put the lemon up there. I definitely like this one. That one can go there. So which one should we put up here? Do you want the cupcake, the star, the doggy, or the planet?
I'm not sure. Hey, 3-Eye, why don't you pick?
I like the dog. Put the dog there. All right, now we just gotta stick him down. This ducky is my favorite. So cute. Ruff, ruff. Here comes the doggy. All right, it looks awesome. Now for the last sticker. Awesome work. There you go, Fizzy and 3-Eye. One lunchbox.
One fizzy, fantastic lunchbox. And the best part is, we made it together.
Wow, I guess sharing isn't so bad after all.
We're always happy to share with you, 3-Eye. Quick, let's go make some yummy lunch for our lunchboxes. Great idea, Phoebe. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will see you next time.